Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you've ever seen those tiny little red bugs crawling on your plants, on your concrete driveway, or even on picnic tables, they are called spider mites, and they feed on the chlorophyll in plants. Spider mites are tiny. Even an adult is about 1/50th of an inch. Their size makes it difficult to see an infestation. The best way is to look for fine webbing, a sure sign you have a problem. Spider mites can stunt a plant's growth and even kill it. While they love to eat your plants, there are several reasons you may keep finding them on your concrete driveway and paths. Number 1, spider mites may move from one plant to another, and concrete surfaces often lie between plants. Number 2, spider mites like warm, dry surfaces, and concrete retains heat from the sun. Number 3, since spider mites are small and light, they get swept away by wind and fall to concrete surfaces. Number 4, there are fewer predators, such as big-eyed bugs or pirate bugs. No matter how or why they are there, you want them off your concrete and plants, and we have some great ways to help. Number 1, physically remove them. It's easier than it sounds. As we mentioned, they are light. Just spray them with a hose and they will fall right off. If you want to make sure they don't crawl back, mix a tablespoon of dishwashing soap or Castile soap with water and spray. For extra power, add rubbing alcohol. Use 2 parts rubbing alcohol and 5 parts water. Don't forget to add a tablespoon of dish soap. Not only will your driveway be clean, but the mites will be gone. You may need to reapply in 3 or so days. You can use this method on plants, but do not saturate them or the soil. The rubbing alcohol will cause dehydration and kill the plants. Number 2, use chemicals. If you are not someone who wants the do-it-yourself method, you can use a store-bought chemical like this one from Safer. It takes all the measuring and mixing out of the equation. Number 3, prevention. As always, prevention is key. Spider mite prevention requires 2 key ingredients. First, you should always keep your area clean from debris. This means picking up dead leaves or branches that may have fallen. It also includes cleaning up grass clippings. Another great way to prevent spider mites is to use barriers such as diatomaceous earth around your flower beds or as a border for your walkways. Diatomaceous earth is a natural pesticide and will kill the mites by drying out their exoskeletons. Using one or a combination of these will get rid of those tiny little red bugs called mites. They may not hurt you, but can do quite a bit of damage to your plants. Please know that for your convenience, any mentioned products are linked below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.